What's up, guys? Theo here. Very quick video, sort of a fun, lighthearted video. I'm going to show you guys how to create a file stream or write to a file with Node.js. So maybe you just have some data that's not too important, but you want to set it aside in a text file. And what you're going to see here is non-blocking. So it's asynchronous code. I'm pretty sure you can do it with the synchronous method, but I just looked this up like 5 minutes ago. Obviously, yeah, it's not a new concept, but I just thought, my channel is all about, just showing you lots of different things you can learn about learning how to code and trying new technology. So let's get started. Um, so we're going to make a directory here called testing node file server, and we're going to change directory into testing node file server, and then we don't have anything, so all we want is a server, and it's not really going to be a server, it's just going to be our file stream, because we're just going to use a node global variable called file stream, or fs. And then we also want a file to write to, so we're just going to say users.text, but you could call it anything you want, really. It could be a JSON file. So let's want to use Vim. So let me clear this out and make it a little bit bigger for you guys. Alright, so let's Vim into our server. And you notice we don't have anything in there, so let's set up the operations that we want to do. So we're going to do, sorry about that, let's do WQ. Let's go back in there, Vim server, insert, and so we'll do var file stream is equal to require fs. Once we have that, we're going to do var stream equals fs dot create write stream, and this takes in what does this take in? This takes in two arguments. It takes in the name of your file, which is going to be users.text, and it takes in a callback function, which comes with it some data, but it's not really data. It's just the file stream data. And then after that, we can close that off. And inside of here, we can do stream.write, which is just saying write to this file, and we're just going to write to it. Let's just create an array of users right up here, an array of objects rather, and inside of here let's create a few objects. Let's see if we can pass this. I'm only trying to pass a string to it, but let's see if we can give it an object or an array of objects. And cool, guys, so let's try this out. So we're just gonna have name equal to John, and age is equal to 25, and then let me do the same thing with this. Alright, and we'll do name is equal to Rick, and age is equal to 30. And then finally up here, guys, we'll do some more space a little bit. Let me clean this up down here. And so in here we can do name is equal to Theo, and age is equal to 23. So that's good. We got our users, and now I just want to push my users into here. So we'll say users, and finally we'll do stream dot close. One more thing I forgot to do is call this when the stream is open. So we'll do stream dot once open function, function that takes in the file data, and let me just clean this up. So let's grab that, and stream.write. Ah, crap, my bad. right stream dot write users, and finally stream dot close. And I think now that we actually have that up there, we don't need this. This isn't actually a function. This is just it's good. And then let's get rid of that. And then let's escape and then get out of there. And let me see. I think I might have messed it up, but let me try it. So we'll do node server. What is it saying? Unexpected token illegal. Vim server. And let me go back in here and change this. Alright, cool. Delete WQ to save, and we'll do node server. Invalid string buffer chunk, so it doesn't want an array. Alright, let's just try it then with a let's just try it with let's see if it'll take I'm honestly curious if it'll take it would take two string. I don't think it'll work, but let me try. I'm just curious. If not, we'll just do a string. All right, looks like it did work, and because we didn't get any errors. So here, if we look at vim users.text, we should see we have 3 objects. Obviously, it doesn't really help that much. So let me think. Let's just to see this one more time in action. Let's just pass it a string, or let's pass it one more thing. We'll just pass it hello world, and then let's escape out of there WQ, and then let's write to our file stream again. My bad. WQ, and let's write to it, and let's see our stream. Object test hello world. So we indeed wrote some data to our stream, and we did that by using this method and getting everything working. So awesome, guys. I think we can do one more thing if you guys want. We could take a look at this FD variable and see what that contains. I'm honestly kind of curious. Log FD. Kind of curious what variable that actually is, what we're getting back. So let's do node server. Let's see what we get back. We get 10. So I guess that's the amount of characters in the hello world. Let me just test that out myself. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Maybe not. Let me see. Let me get rid of all this then and sort of let me try it out. Kind of curious to see what we get back if we just pass it for our users. Yeah, let's just pass it hello world, and we don't need this. I mean, we don't really need toString, but we'll just leave it on there. Whatever. Do node server 10. Huh. I'm curious. I'll have to look into that, guys. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the quick video. If you like the channel, make sure to like, comment, and please subscribe. It means a lot. So thanks for watching, and have a great day. See you in the next video.